Omo, how Sunday we suppose carry peace, turn today we carry blood. Palm Sunday, day of prayer. But for Jos, na cry them here. People wake up that morning, wear white, carry Bible, heart full of hope. Them no say, evil done already they wait. Then suddenly, everywhere change. Noise, panic. People they shout. Bodies they scatter. Children they cry. Mothers they drag their pikin. Now who go save who first? Bible fall for ground. Slippers full everywhere. But the people wey wear them, some no go ever stand again.
Imagine say na your mama, or your brother, or your friend wey you follow go church.
People they try help, but fear done already take over. No ambulance fast enough.
No safety anywhere.
This one no be accident. This one no be coincidence. Na pattern. And it done too much. How many times this thing go happen before it stop? How many innocent lives wey we go lose before government go wake up? Government, we dey talk to una. This silence, a loud pass gunshot. Families don't break. Children don't lose parents. People will just want serve God. Now them no dey again. Just they mourn. Nigeria they watch. But questions still remain. Wetin this small pikin do? Why him Sunday turn nightmare? This no be just news. Na warning. Na cry for justice. If we keep quiet today, tomorrow, it fit be your turn. Government, do something now. Because enough done too much.